ChatGPT is my new favorite way to make thumbnails. I'm Elizabeth, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT. For this example, I'm creating a video called How to Make a Website with AI in Minutes. I'm going to show you a few different approaches to creating an eye-popping thumbnail. Instead of simply asking ChatGPT to make a thumbnail, start by giving it a little more context. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled How to Make a Website with AI in Minutes. Use the attached image in the thumbnail and include the text Website in Minutes, making it eye-catching and easy to read. Now I'll add an image of myself in the chat window. If there's any other images you have that you want included, you can add those too. And that's all I need to do before I send the prompt. This is a good start, but one of the best parts about creating thumbnails with ChatGPT is that you can refine the image just by describing what you want changed. In this case, I want to make the words a little bit larger, and I also want to change the color of my outfit to match the thumbnail. I also want to be pointing at the computer screen. I like this one much better already. Another option that you have is to select Edit on the thumbnail itself. In this case, I want to remove selected portions of this thumbnail. I'm not really feeling these AI things, so I'm just going to select that and again over here. And then click on Send. Perfect. If your video is about a specific app, product, or service, you can also upload a logo, screenshot, or other reference image. However, if you provide the name of a known brand, in this case Base44, ChatGPT will pull things like the logo, color palette, etc. automatically for you. The more useful context you give ChatGPT, the better chance you have of getting something close to what you're imagining. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm concepts for your thumbnail first, and then you can choose the strongest idea and have it generate that particular thumbnail. I usually like this approach because it separates the idea from the actual design. And ChatGPT is making suggestions that will help you drive more traffic to your video. Suggestions typically include thumbnail text and design elements. If you're happy with the suggestions, you can just ask ChatGPT to create all 3 thumbnails, or you can continue to refine the text and the design elements to your liking. Remember that most people are going to see your thumbnail at a very small size, especially on a phone. So instead of putting your entire video title on the thumbnail, keep the text short. And as you're refining the thumbnail, think about viewer intent. If someone is searching for how to create a website with AI, they probably want something that looks good, doesn't require complicated design software, and can be created quickly. So your thumbnail should visually communicate those benefits. If you already have a thumbnail, ChatGPT could provide you feedback on ways to improve it. Remember that the goal isn't just to make something that looks good. Your thumbnail needs to instantly communicate what the video is about, match what the viewer is searching for, and give them a reason to click. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.